Hi guys, it's Lisa. I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. So I hope everybody had a fantastic Christmas or holiday, whichever you would prefer. And I hope everybody was safe and got everything that they wanted. I'm trying to zoom in here. Okay. So I'm going to do a blowout pour. And it's probably going to be a mix between my blow dryer and my airbrush. So I've already went ahead and prepped the canvas with a base coat. I used the Artist Loft Ready to Pour paints in metallic white. So it's going to have a metallic background. It's already doing some pretty cool things besides bubbling up. Here, let me grab them. Oh, excuse me. So, by the time you see this video, I am sure I am still in Michigan. I got these videos ready ahead of time. Oh, that was a lot of work. But as we speak, you see me here, but I'm in actuality right now probably cuddling my grandbaby. So that's cool. That I can be in two places at once, right? Oh. So I'm just using a couple colors today. I'm kind of wanting like a soft, I wanted a phthalo green, but I don't have very much left. I'll use what I have, but I don't have that much left. It's a small canvas. It's only a 12 by 12, so I won't need that much. I just want to do a couple. What's going on? This paint is pretty bubbly. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to be doing just either a blowout with the blow dryer, depending on how it goes, and I may come in and tweak it with my hairbrush. Not my hairbrush, my airbrush. Oh, Lord, have mercy. All right. So the colors I'm using is the Aqua Flash, the Color Shift paint from Folk Art, mixed with Pthalo. And also it's mixed with Floetrol and Artist Loft pouring medium. So I think I'm going to do it this way. And I think I'm going to do like blow it out like that. Let me make sure you're still in focus, being I swapped it out. Yep. I'll bring you back just a bit. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to start like at the bottom and blow it out that way. Tammy actually did a challenge, and I didn't do it during challenge time, so I'm doing it now, Tammy. She called it a bottoms up Dutch pour. So, quit messing, Lisa. So. And I don't think I'm going to do lines. I think I'm going to do spots. I have no idea what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just going with the flow. There's a little bit of my phthalo green. I'm going to add some Vavoom red primary element. Ooh, this is like such a pretty like a burgundy red, like a deep wine. I'm going to do some 24 hour, what am I, a mascara commercial? 24 karat gold. You know, I don't think I've ever done a Dutch pour or a blowout with spots. So this should be interesting. I'm going to connect these. I don't know why. I just feel like I should. Okay. I might need some more green here. That Vavoom red is and the 24 karat gold really taken over. Okay, guys, I'm going to add a little bit of the carbon black. With flow trowel, so it's actually the cell activator for the bloom recipe, but it also helps in other pours. And I love how black it is. All right. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to be using my new hair dryer. I used it in a previous video and it blew the paint all the way to Cincinnati. So my paint is a little bit, some of it's a little bit thick, some of it's a little thin. But have no worries, thick or thin, this hair dryer can handle it if it acts the same way it did last time. Watch, it won't. All right, so I'm going to start it out on low. So adjust your volumes. It's not super loud, but we'll see. Okay. Let's go straight up the middle first. See? Just blew it. Alright, let's go to the side. Whoop. I'm going to add a little bit here because it's looking kind of obscene from my angle. Oh, just gonna grab some of the paint so that I can do another blow here and there. Okay. Back on low again. Whoop. Okay, so can you imagine if I put it on high? I actually want to blow it so it comes off the canvas this way. And it's going to get all over me, you watch. Okay, so this is my new hair dryer. It is like 2200 watts. I'm loving it, but I love it because if I get my paints too thick, it still works. And if they're too thin, it still works. And I mean, that was just on low, and it's got a really good concentrator. So I'll list it, whoops, I'll list it in my Amazon shop if you're interested. All right, so there's a few spots where, oh, they disappeared. I was gonna blow around with my airbrush, but I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of tilting because there's just a actually, you know what, I'm gonna do something that I've never done before. Guess what that is? Leave it the hell alone. You think I can? Huh, guys? Come on. I know most of you just said no. Can't believe you don't have the faith in me. No faith in me. I see a spot I really want to change right here because it's very gloopy. But if I change it, then you guys will be like, oh, see, told you. That's why we don't have faith in you. But just to prove you wrong, do I leave it and not like it? Or do I do the Lisa thing and mess with it? Let me just try one thing. Shut it. Shut it. I just don't like that it's... All right. Just a little tweak. And then I will leave it alone, I promise. I just don't like that. I don't like that harsh line. Okay. See? Now I'll really leave it alone. Again, shut it. I just created another harsh line. I don't like that. Okay. All right, guys. I like it. I will bring you in on a close-up. Let me come get you. Hold on. Okay. Here I am. Here I am. That light's pretty harsh. So just because I blew it this way does not mean it needs to be hung this way. I just thought that it would, you know, the fans coming out would look cool coming from a corner. See that? See, that's what I didn't like, the harsh line, and I got rid of it. I like the wispy on the black here. And this is totally looking like a peacock feather. That's the Vavoom red from Colourarte. Beautimous. So pretty. I love that purple, like a real light lavender, and then the bleed. I like it. And I love how the back is like, looks kind of textured because I used a metallic paint. See, like right there? All right, cool. So yeah, I mean, it can be hung this way. But, I mean, it can also be hung that way. I like it. I like it a lot. Colors are gorgeous. I wanted that softness with just a pop of red in there. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. And if you're looking for a Facebook group to join with like-minded artists, I have one just for you. It is called United We Pour Fluid Art Group, and I run that with Tammy Anderson. And come over and join. We would really love to see you over there, and hope you're having an amazing day. Look at that, that looks so cool. Hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care now.